Look at all these buildings up. Look at it. They move. Thousands of people got into place. Now, if I many people Lagos, look at what Governor Soludo is doing to Igbos. Kebe government on one alifeni na kebe hano. And on Onitsha market. And on Onitsha market. So all these shops in Nebo, we have get demolished. All these shops down that they will demolish it. I got stranded. In fact, here they will tell me and that 14 of this month, going and not get demolished. My own concern, the business is how will they survive? And this shop I do go for many years. My own go since government no all this building be too much. Thousands of shops, thousands of youth that do bless. They will not find something to eat food. Look at it, demolish. So what will they do? They hide them, man. They hunt many people in Lagos. They look at what they are doing to Igbos in Lagos. Now, here in Anibo, Onitsha. So, the government, since how many years on our shop and in the government, now they want to demolish it. This is a wickedness. This is a wickedness. It's a wickedness. Look at all these shops in the building, all the many buildings. I will show you some of them. Thousands of buildings will be demolished. So those people, some people cannot village. Some Igbos cannot village. They will return back to their state. Some will come back to the village. All these shops are now 14. Today is 2nd of February 2026. 14 of this month. How many weeks? They will demolish everywhere. Only way power. If I study them, can the government on one other shop Nina? Can the government on one other shop Nina? Look at it. Look at it. Hano. It's a wickedness. Look at all these shops here.
The buildings, all the too much. All the many places. And the Magacha na Hanchani now. Negodife, Governor Soludo, na Momo Made.
Look at. Building in Agapu. All these building Agapu. Look at. Building in Agapu. Look at what Soludo is doing to Indigo. They have a Mendigo. Every government on one Lifa. After government on our Lifa, Hana put their tax. Why now? Tell them to listen to me. Thousands of people cannot jobless.
Yes.
Look at the one castle. All these buildings in the gap. Look at them. All these buildings in the gap. Look at all these buildings gap. Look at it. They move. Thousands of people that do jobless. Now, if I many people Lagos, look at what Governor Soludo is doing to Igbos. Can the government on one alifeni na kebe hano? Kebe hano one all these shops mean wickedness. Kebe hano. Kebe government on one alifeni na. Look at it. All these buildings mean now, if I many people Lagos. Look at what they do to Igbos in Lagos. They have people at their own, their own land. All the shops need demolish. 14 of this month, February. How many weeks? Can you have the fate of these people? Look at it. Look at all these shops in the gap. Look at wickedness. It's a wickedness. It's a wickedness. It's a wickedness. Look at it. They move. Thousands of shops in the down. Many people cannot village. Wickedness. Only one point wickedness. It's a wickedness. Can we go into Mbona Alifa? Look at. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Thousands of shops in the too much. Thousands of shops are demolished. And the Soludo happen all these things happen. Olusen Bono misunderstanding with them. Concerning sit at home. Come. This is a wickedness. It's a wickedness. Shop will believe thousands. It's a wickedness.
The buildings Governor Soludo get demolished about do too much. All the many buildings, some decades, Governor Soludo get demolished. What kind of generation are we living into? Thousands of people got to jobless now. Thousands got to jobless. Thousands got to turn to village. Thousands.
Charị nwa Mgbafọ do nna ịkụgbọ na nna biko ịkụgbọkwana. Ụfọdụ anwa na ọbara mgbali elu, ụfọdụ ekolo abafa wee nawa vileji. Ife ihe eme na main market kịta anụnwa ya adịfa mma, dịkwa onye ọbụla mma abụ. Ịta ya ụzọ niile dị n'ime main market anụnwa. Ọ bụ na enwere ebe gota adịghọ, ịwa gota, etechie enu gota agha ya mana gota dị ya. Mmiri ya na-apụ, ọ ya bụ mmiri zoo ka pọtọpọtọ ghara ide ebe ahụ ka taị ya main market niile ebe ọbụla ụkwụ na-aga ma n'ime ma na mpụta. Taị ya afa ncha niile ka ọ dị mmiri n'anya, mana ọ bụrụkwa ma ikutu ụnọ do nna ikutu na biko ikutu na nnọọ